Welcome to Ally Solutions. Ally Solutions presents Autism: Navigating the Spectrum. Legal and Ethical Considerations in Autism Advocacy. Equity and Empowerment. Ensuring dignity, rights, and inclusion. Legal and ethical considerations ensure that autistic individuals receive dignity, respect, and equity. Providing equal access to education, healthcare, employment, and social participation, while recognizing and respecting their rights and protections, gives autistic individuals the opportunity to thrive and fully participate in an inclusive and supportive environment. Key legal and ethical considerations include equal access to education and services. Upholding equal opportunities for autistic individuals is essential. Legal frameworks in the United States, including the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, guarantee fair access to education, job opportunities, and public services for autistics. Ethical principles prioritize fairness and non-discrimination, tailoring services to meet the unique needs of autistic individuals, promoting their overall development. Guardianship and advocacy. Legal mechanisms for guardianship and advocacy are crucial in protecting the rights and interests of autistic individuals needing assistance with decision-making or navigating complex systems. Ethical considerations highlight the importance of advocating for the individual's best interests while respecting their autonomy and preferences as much as possible. Informed consent and decision-making. Legal frameworks protect the rights of autistic individuals by ensuring their privacy, autonomy, and self-determination. These laws guarantee that they can make informed decisions about their care, treatment, and participation in research, with necessary support and accommodations. Ethical considerations stress the importance of respecting their autonomy and decision-making abilities. Legal frameworks. Legal frameworks aim to prevent exploitation, abuse, and discrimination against autistic individuals in healthcare, education, employment, and the criminal justice system. Ethical considerations emphasize advocating for the rights and well-being of these vulnerable individuals. Promotion of inclusion and acceptance. Legal and ethical principles support efforts to promote the inclusion, acceptance, and accommodation of neurodiversity in society. They encourage creating supportive environments that respect the unique needs and abilities of autistic individuals, fostering a culture of understanding and acceptance. Protection from discrimination. Laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, protect autistic individuals from disability-based discrimination in education, employment, and public accommodations, while safeguarding their right to privacy, autonomy, and independence. Ethical standards emphasize creating communities that embrace neurodiversity and value each person's unique qualities. Quality of care. Legal standards and regulations ensure that autistic individuals receive safe, effective, evidence-based healthcare and therapy services. Ethical considerations guide healthcare professionals to provide compassionate, respectful, and person-centered care. Safeguarding against abuse and exploitation. Legal frameworks aim to prevent exploitation, abuse, and discrimination against autistic individuals across healthcare, education, employment, and the criminal justice system. These frameworks include guidelines for reporting suspected abuse, ensuring support services, and fostering safe environments. Ethical considerations emphasize advocating for the rights and well-being of vulnerable individuals.